guys, let's talk about how acupuncture and acupressure work. Acupuncture and acupressure have both been around for over 3,000 years, and we've always known that they do work, but up until recently we had little idea of why they worked from a Western perspective. Part of understanding this is understanding that the culture that created acupuncture and acupressure had sort of different priorities than we do here in the modern West. In the US, we're obsessed with knowing the nitty-gritty of how things work. The FDA won't approve a drug until they understand a reasonable mechanism of action. This means that you could have the most effective drug in the world, but if you can't say why it works, they won't approve it. But in ancient China, there was culturally less of this preoccupation with how things work and much more with does it work. If we can observe that something is working, that is awesome, and then let's move on to the next thing. My background is in pharmaceutical research and science, so I really like to be the middle ground where we look at why things work and bring together the best of Eastern medicine with quality research. In another video, I'll dig more into the theoretical basis of how Chinese medicine works, but today I really want to talk about the science of it. Did you ever dissect an animal in high school? If so, you might recall a sort of filmy tissue in between all the muscles and organs, and this is called fascia. We used to think fascia's only purpose was to reduce friction as body parts and muscles and organs sort of move against each other as you move throughout the day. However, what research has shown us in the last 20 years or so is that fascia is actually a very alive, changeable, and moldable tissue, and one of our most rich sensory organs. It is embedded with nerve endings and provides constant feedback to our brain about what's happening in our body, in our lymphatic system, which is also your immune system, and even with blood flow and hormone balance. Places where bands of fascia overlap also map with about 80% accuracy to places that we consider to be acupuncture or acupressure points. Fascia responds to both pressure, like acupressure, and trauma, like acupuncture. And when you massage or put a needle into one of these points, there are measurable changes in the tension, polarity, and neural conductivity of the fascia itself. These changes mean different signals to your brain, differences in blood flow, differences in lymphatic flow, and even changes to gene expression in your cells. So how does acupuncture and acupressure work? From a Western perspective, we really think the primary mechanism is through fascia in your body. And because it is so wide-reaching and encompasses every organ system and every muscle, acupuncture can act holistically on your entire body all at once. Interested in trying it for yourself? You can find a licensed acupuncturist in your area or check the link in my bio for an amazing acupressure app that you can try for free at home. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Eastern medicine and acupuncture videos.